Just walk him this way.
Hey, you got the right grip, I got the right grip. There we go.
Just walk him down.
Yeah.
And then pull him right into the shallows.
I won't have the same fucking problem I did last time.
I'll let him play his off.
I'm not sure that's good.
Walk him up here and just don't step in my pole and I'll grab him.